Hello guys, today we're gonna show you unboxing of MiA2. This is the box of MiA2 and there is main highlight is Android 1. On the back side of the box, made in India, 20 megapixel selfie camera, 12 plus 20 megapixel back camera, Snapdragon 660 and Android 1. Now finally we open the box. As expected, it's silicon case, bad quality case with some user manual and SIM tray ejector, etc. It's not a good quality case, I think. This is the main phone and very thin, and inside the box we get adapter. I think it not being a fast charger. Focus, oh sorry, it's 5 volt 2 ampere. It's not a fast charger. And the USB cable, USB type C. With the case we get 3.5 audio jack from type C and from type C, yes. And this is the SIM tray ejector, some user boring user manuals, and the bad quality silicon case. The box content is the silicon case, 3.5 audio jack, USB cable type C, power adapter, and the main 4 with SIM ejector 2. This is the main phone. You can see at this side you get power button, volume rocker, and a very thin mobile is this. And at the upper side you get secondary mic and IR blaster. At the downside you get mic, speaker and USB port C. And at this side you get SIM tray, and from the back side of the phone, two cameras, fingerprint scanner and MI logo. It's a not hybrid SIM slot, but we get check it. Yes, this is not hybrid. You can only insert two SIM card in it. It's very sad, but what we can do. So please like, subscribe, comment and share, and thank you for watching. Wait for next video. We will soon back.